What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the perfect push-up. Now, these are essentially, the best way to put them, this is from the company Bodyweight. These are essentially braces for your push-up. And the reason for that is because when we do a push-up, we want our body to be in the perfect posture so that we are building our chest, our triceps, our shoulders, our scapula. We're really building in a proper way. And what's cool about these is at the bottom here, you can see there's this rotating circle. And I didn't know this when I first started using these. Now I'm aware of this. And if you use this properly, your body benefits from that because you're getting that full rotation that your body needs for quite literally the perfect push-up. So what you want to do here is when you use these, you want to have think of your thumbs like this, facing forward. So facing up, and your arms holding it like that, see? So forward and forward like this. And then you're gonna hold, when you put them down, you're gonna wanna have them be shoulder width apart. And the reason for that is because you don't wanna be overextended on the outside, and you don't wanna be constricting your range of motion on the inside. That shoulder width allows for the rotation of these like this to occur so that your shoulder blade, your scapula, your triceps, and your chest all get that range of motion that you need to complete the perfect push-up. So when you get down on these, you really just want to first start in this position like this. Maintain, obviously hold your core. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold forward, and then as you go down, rotate like this down, and then back into that straight position when you come up. So that process, that rotation process, you're going to feel it, not just in your chest, not just in your triceps, but also in your shoulders as well. See, that rotation is the completion because you're working, to some degree, you should feel it in your scapula, kind of, not really your lats, but there should be rotation with your lats. And then your deltoids, you're activating your deltoids, your triceps, and your chest. So, what's nice about the perfect push-up is that when you're doing a regular push-up like this, you're getting in, the same repetition. So, that same repetition. With this, with that rotation, what you're doing is you're working more of your shoulder, tricep, chest. You're creating more range of motion and more muscle activation within the push-up process, essentially. As opposed to this same stagnant movement like this. With the perfect push-up, you're actually getting that wider range of motion, right? Like this. And that twisting, that shoulder rotation is also healthy for your shoulders. It helps to prevent injuries. It helps your shoulders to maintain strength, range of motion, mobility, flexibility, and these types of things. So I love the perfect push-up. In fact, I think this is one of the cheapest things you can do for the physical strengthening and conditioning of your upper body, your chest, your triceps, and your shoulders. They work very well, and that rotation is really valuable. The more range of motion and rotation you can get in your workouts, whether it's upper body or lower body, the better, because not only are you strengthening, you're creating more mobility within that part of the body as well. And for me in particular, I don't have the best shoulder mobility. I work on the computer, so I'm often in this position where my shoulders are hunched over like this, and I get that forward neck posture. And in order to correct that, you want to strengthen your shoulders and your deltoids and your back to pull that tightness and to pull it back like this. So that's why the perfect push-up comes in handy for me, is because, that forward head posture and that forward neck posture really allows me to strengthen the parts of the body that, should be this way. So when you're down, I went the opposite way. So when you're down, you want it to be sideways, and then when you're up, you want it to be forward, just so you know. So as you can see right now, forward, sideways, forward, sideways. Just like that, see? And that's the perfect push-up. So I love these for 25 bucks. You really can't go wrong. I'll put the link on Amazon below so you can check it out, read the reviews, and grab a pair of perfect push-up for yourself. Also, if you're into health and fitness and you want to see different health and wellness brands that will take your fitness or health and wellness journey to the next level, I've put together a list of 20 to 30 different health and wellness brands on Healthy Wild Free. It's healthywildfree.com/shop. These are brands that I've personally vetted. So I'm a health and wellness coach, and these brands are extremely high quality, whether it's fitness products, supplements for brain health, mitochondrial energy, recovery, protein, amino acids, fitness equipment, red lights, and so much more, water filters, air filters, all that kind of stuff. Check out the link below and subscribe to the channel here, Wellstar Reviews, for more health and wellness product reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.